Hello Saxes and welcome to this tutorial on The Good, the Bad and the Ugly by Ennio Morricone. So first things first, make sure you get your saxophone out and ready and get warmed up and get onto tuning. If you haven't already had a look yet, have a look at the tuning video that I've made for you. Okay, so let's have a look first at the key signature. So the key signature is how many sharps or flats there are in this piece. So in this piece of music we've got 3 sharps. Okay, so we've got F sharp, C sharp and G sharp. Okay, so make sure you have a look at that and keep an eye out to make sure we play the right accidentals. So that means that we play the sharps when we see them. Okay, so we don't play for the first bar. You can see there's repeat marks there, but we come in the second bar, okay, after it's repeated. So what's really important, this is a very well-known theme, this, so I want you to have a look at it and look at the dynamics. Okay, it comes in at piano at first. Have a listen to this. Okay, and what's really important in that bit is bar 8. So bar 8 would be 1, 2, ba ba ba. So really make sure you come in on that off beat, okay? So you've got 2.5 beats rest in bar 8. So let's now have a look at A. So you've got 2 bars of rest there. And then you come back in with that same melody that you've just played, but this time it's forte. Let's have a listen to that. Let's now have a look at B. So here we've got some articulation markings above our notes, above our C sharps, okay? So we've got a symbol that looks like that, and we've got our staccato markings. So they want to be quite separated, okay, but strong, okay? So not too short, because they have that accent, that sideways accent, that makes it slightly longer than a regular staccato. Let's have a listen. So it'll go 1, 2, 3, ta 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 ta. 1, 2, ta 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 ta. 1, 2, ta 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 ta. Great. Now section C, we've got the tune is this. Ta 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 ta. Da 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 da. Okay, just have a listen to that. And then we've got a forte piano at bar 34. So I really want you to make the most of it. So to play a forte piano, we need to go ta. So really loud at first, then immediately quiet, and then grow in that crescendo over those 2 bars. Okay, then we look at section D. And that's just like what we've played, that same main tune. So 2 bars after D, we've got 1, 2, 3, da da da. Da da da. Da 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 da. Da da da. Okay, so that's fortissimo that time. So make sure it's nice and loud. Let's have a listen to that. finish things off 2 bars after E. We've got the same thing, but bring it back down to mezzo piano. So it will sound like this.